Dear students, now we are going to discuss with you the topic similar matrices. An n by n matrix A cap is called similar to an n by n matrix A if A cap is equal to P inverse AP for some non-singular n by n matrix P. That is, if A cap is equal to P inverse AP for some non-singular n by n matrix or some invertible matrix P, then A cap and A are similar. And this transformation is called similarity transformation. And if two matrices A and A cap are similar matrices, then the determinant of these two matrices A and A cap are same. The characteristic equation of the matrices A and A cap are same, and the eigenvalues of this A and A cap are same. So for similar matrices as the properties, they have the same determinant, they have the same characteristic equations, and they have the same eigenvalues. So if A cap is similar to A, then A cap has the same eigenvalue of A, and the eigenvector has the property, if x is an eigenvector of A, then eigenvector of A cap is y equal to P inverse x. So we check this condition by using an example. So for example, consider the matrix A equal to 6 minus 3, 4 minus 1 and P equal to 1, 3, 1, 4. This matrix P is a non-singular matrix since the determinant of this matrix is 1 into 4, 4, minus 1 into 3 is 3, so 4 minus 3 is 1. So we take A cap. So we have A cap is P inverse AP. So we find out the inverse of this matrix and then multiply it with A and then P. Okay. So P inverse of this matrix is, for finding the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix, we have the inverse is 4 minus 3 minus 1, 1. Okay. So we interchange the diagonal entries 1 and 4 to 4 and 1 and put a minus in the sub-diagonal entries for inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. So we have the inverse of this matrix is 4 minus 3 minus 1 and 1. So P inverse AP, we have the matrix 4 minus 3 minus 1, 1 into A we have 6 minus 3, 4 minus 1 into P we have 1, 3, 1, 4. If we multiply these matrices, we got the matrix is 3, 0, 0, 2. You multiply these three matrices, the result is the matrix 3, 0, 0, 2. So we have the matrix A cap is 3, 0, 0, 2. The matrix A cap is 3, 0, 0, 2 and the matrix A is 6 minus 3, 4 minus 1. Now we have to verify the eigenvalue of this A and A cap, and since A and A cap are the similar matrices, the eigenvalues are same. Okay, so from this A cap is 3, 0, 0, 2. It is a diagonal matrix. It's a diagonal matrix. So the eigenvalues of a diagonal matrices are its diagonal elements. So the eigenvalues of this A cap are 3 and 2. So A cap has the eigenvalues lambda 1 equal to 3 and lambda 2 equal to 2. Now we are going to find the eigenvalue of A. For finding the eigenvalue, first we find the characteristic equation of the matrix A. So the characteristic equation of A is, this is A, 6 minus 3, 4 minus 1. Then characteristic equation of A is 6 minus lambda minus 3, 4 minus 1 minus lambda. So the characteristic equation is determinant A minus lambda I. That is 6 minus lambda minus 3, 4 minus 1 minus lambda equal to 0. Okay. Characteristic equation is determinant a minus lambda I equal to 0. That is 6 minus lambda minus 3, 4 minus 1 minus lambda equal to 0. That is 6 minus lambda into minus 1 minus lambda. We take the product of diagonal entries minus the product of the subdiagonal. That is 6 minus lambda into minus 1 minus lambda minus 4 into minus 3. That is plus 12 equal to 0. So simplifying, we have a minus 6 lambda plus lambda square plus 12. So we have minus lambda into minus lambda is lambda square, and minus 6 lambda plus lambda we have minus 5 lambda. 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. So minus 6 plus 12 is 6. So lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6 equal to 0. And that is lambda minus 3 into lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So here minus 5 is the sum and the product is 6. So we take minus 3 and minus 2. So lambda minus 3 into lambda minus 2 equal to 0. So lambda 1 equal to 3 and lambda 2 equal to 2. So the eigen value of the matrix A is lambda 1 equal to 3 and lambda 2 equal to 2. And we calculate A cap as A cap is equal to P inverse into AP. Then we got A cap as 3002. Then the eigenvalues of that A cap are lambda 1 equal to 3 and lambda 2 equal to 2. So the eigenvalues of A and A cap are same. And also the characteristic equation of these matrices are, the characteristic equation of A is lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6 equal to 0. Then characteristic equation of A cap is same as lambda minus 3 into lambda minus 2, or 3 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda. 3 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda, that is same as lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6 equal to 0. And also the determinant of these matrices are, determinant of A cap is 3 into 2 is equal to 6, and determinant of A is minus 6 plus 12, that is 6. So the matrices A and A cap are similar matrices and it satisfies the properties. Determinant of the matrices A and A cap are same. The eigenvalues of A and A cap are same. The characteristic equation of A and A cap are same. But the eigenvectors of these matrices are not same. So for finding the eigenvectors, we have the condition is, if X is an eigenvector of A, then the eigenvector of A cap is Y equal to P inverse X. So first we find the eigenvector of A. So eigenvector for the eigenvalues lambda equal to 3 and lambda equal to 2. First we find the eigenvector for A when lambda equal to 3. That is, we have the matrix A is 6 minus 3, 4 minus 1. So for eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 3, we take the determinant A minus 3i. Determinant A minus 3i. That is 6 minus 3 minus 3, 4 minus 1 minus 3 into x1 x2 is equal to 0. Okay. So the eigenvector for A when lambda equal to 3 is, we have a determinant or matrix A minus 3i into x is equal to 0. That is 6 minus 3 minus 3, 4 minus 1 minus 3 into x1 x2 is equal to 0, 0. That is 6 minus 3 is 3. This one is minus 3. 4 minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 into x1 x2 is equal to 0, 0. So the first equation is 3x1 minus 3x2. We multiply these matrices. We have a 3x1 minus 3x2 equal to 0. So 3x1 minus 3x2 equal to 0 is x1 minus x2 equal to 0. Second equation, that is x1 minus x2 equal to 0, is x1 equal to x2. So second equation is also same as 4x1 minus 4x2 is equal to 0. So that also x1 equal to x2. eigenvector is x1, x2 transpose equal to 1, 1 transpose. That is the eigenvector for A when lambda equal to 3. Now we find the eigenvector for A when lambda equal to 2. That is, we take matrix A minus 2i into x1, x2 is equal to 0, 0. A minus 2i is 6 minus 2 minus 3, 4 minus 1 minus 2 into x1, x2 is equal to 0, 0. So 6 minus 2 is 4 minus 3, 4 minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 into x1, x2 is equal to 0, 0. So here also the first equation is 4x1 minus 3x2 is equal to 0, 4x1 minus 3x2 is equal to 0, and second equation is also 4x1 minus 3x2 is equal to 0. That is 4x1 is equal to 3x2. Therefore, we have x1 by 3 is equal to x2 by 4. So the vector is 3 vector. The eigenvector for A when lambda equal to 2 is 3, 4. 3, 4 or 3, 4 transpose. x1, x2 is equal to 3, 4. So we calculate the eigenvector for lambda equal to 3 and lambda equal to 2. We have the eigenvector for lambda equal to 3 is 1, 1 and eigenvector for lambda equal to 2 is 3, 4. Now we have the condition. So if x is an eigenvector for A, then eigenvector for A cap is y equal to P inverse into x. That is y1 equal to P inverse into x1 and y2 equal to P inverse into x2. So y1 is P inverse into x1 and we already calculate the value of P inverse. So we have P inverse is 4 minus 3 minus 1, 1 into x1 is the first eigenvector for A, that is 1, 1. Then you multiply 4 into 1 is 4 minus 3 into 1 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Then 1 into 1 is 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So y1 equal to 1, 0. So the eigenvector is 1, 0. Okay. Now we have the second eigenvector y2 is equal to P inverse into x2. That is the eigenvector for A cap corresponding to the second vector. Second vector is we have x2 is 3, 4. So we have y2 is take P inverse is 4 minus 3 minus 1, 1 into 3, 4. That is 4 into 3 is 12 minus 3 into 4 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 plus 1 into 4 is 4. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1. So the eigenvector for A cap is 1, 0 and 0, 1. Okay. So for similar matrices A and A cap, that is a matrix A cap is called similar to a matrix A if A cap is equal to P inverse into AP for some non-singular matrices matrix P. Okay. So if A and A cap are same, they have the same eigenvalues, but the eigenvectors are, if x is an eigenvector of A, then the eigenvector of A cap is y equal to P inverse x. Now we check on another example for a 3 by 3 matrix. Let A is equal to 0, 0, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1 and P equal to 2, 0, 3, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 5. Then the determinant of this matrix is 2 into 1 into 5. That is 2 into 1 into 5 is 10. So the determinant is x3 minus 3 into, we have one another condition here, 3 into minus 3. So the determinant is not equal to, determinant of P is not equal to 0. So P is a non-singular matrix and it is also an invertible matrix. Okay. Now we check whether we find out the similar matrix A cap. A cap is equal to P inverse into AP and verify whether A and A cap has the same eigenvalues and calculate the eigenvector for A and A cap. So find the eigenvalues and eigenvector of A cap P inverse AP. Find the eigenvalues and eigenvector of A cap is equal to P inverse AP. So A cap is equal to P inverse AP. A cap is similar to A. Then eigenvalues of A cap are same as the eigenvalue of A. So we calculate the eigenvalues of A. Then eigenvalues of A cap is same as the eigenvalue of A. Okay, that is solution. A and P inverse AP have equal eigenvalues. We find out the eigenvalue of A, then eigenvalues of A cap is same as the eigenvalue of A. So the characteristic matrix of A is, we have A minus lambda I, that is minus lambda 0, 2, 0, 3 minus lambda 2, 1, 0, 1 minus lambda equal to 0. Evaluate the determinant. We have a minus lambda into 3 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda minus 0. Second entry is 0 here. Okay, then plus 2 into, this one is 0 minus 1 into 3 minus lambda. That is 2 into minus 3 minus lambda is lambda minus 3 equal to 0. And then simplify this equation. We got lambda cube minus 4 lambda square plus lambda plus 6 equal to 0. And this is a cubic equation. We have 3 values for lambda and we calculate the values for lambda, and this equation is same as lambda plus 1 into lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6 is equal to 0. Since lambda equal to minus 1 is a root here, so we have lambda plus 1 is a factor. Then we divide this lambda cube minus 4 lambda square plus lambda plus 6 by lambda plus 1. We have a lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6. So this equation is same as lambda plus 1 into lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6. That implies lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6 is lambda minus 2 into lambda minus 3. So lambda plus 1 into lambda minus 2 into lambda minus 3 equal to 0. So we have lambda equal to minus 1, 2, 3. So the eigenvalues of A are minus 1, 2 and 3. Then eigenvalues of A cap also same as the eigenvalues of A cap are minus 1, 2, 3, since the eigenvalues of A and A cap are same, equal. Okay. Now we have to find out the eigenvector for A cap. So the eigenvector for A cap are y equal to P inverse into x, where x is the eigenvector for A. So for finding the eigenvector for A cap, first we find out the eigenvector for A, then we multiply P inverse with each eigenvector for a eigenvector of A cap. So first we find the so if x is an eigenvector of A, then y equal to P inverse x are a eigenvector of A cap. So we find out the eigenvector for each eigenvalues minus 1, 2, 3. First we have the eigenvector for lambda equal to minus 1. Lambda equal to minus 1 is, we have a 0 minus minus 1 is 1, 0, 2, 0. Here it is a minus 1. Lambda minus 1 is minus of minus 1 is plus 1. 3 minus minus 1 is 4. 1 minus minus 1 is 2. Okay. So 1, 0, 2, 0, 4, 2, 1, 0, 2 into x1, x2, x3 equal to 0, 0, 0. We have the equation. First equation is 1 into x1 is x1 plus 0 x2 plus 2 x3 is equal to 0. Second equation 0 x1 plus 4 x2 plus 2 x3 is equal to 0. Third equation is also same as x1 plus 2 x3 is equal to 0. So we have only two equations and both the equations have x3. Okay. So from first equation we have we're taking x3 is equal to 1. From first equation we have to put x3 equal to 1 here, since x3 is common in both the equation. So take x3 is equal to 1. We have x1 is equal to minus 2 and 4x2 is equal to minus 2. So x2 is minus 1 by 2. So the eigenvectors are x1, x2, x3 equal to minus 2, minus 1 by 2, 1. Okay. Now we find the eigenvector for lambda equal to 2, and you take a minus 2i. A minus 2i is minus 2, 0, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0, 0, 0. A minus 2i. A minus 2i into x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0. So multiply the equation. We have minus 2x1 plus 2x3 is equal to 0. x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 0. And last equation is x1 minus x3 is equal to 0. But the last equation is also same as the first equation. So here there are only two equations. x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 0 and x1 minus x3 is equal to 0. So both the equation have x3 there. So we put x3 is equal to 1. We have a x3 is equal to 1. From the last equation we have x1 is equal to 1. And the second equation we have x2 is equal to minus 2. So the eigenvectors are 1, minus 2, 1. Now the eigenvector for lambda equal to 3 is take a minus 3i into x1, x2, x3. So a minus 3i is minus 3, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, minus 2 into x1, x2, x3 equal to 0, 0, 0. That is minus 3x1 plus 2x3 is equal to 0. From second equation we have 2x2 is, sorry, it is 2x3 is 0, 2x3 is equal to 0. Third equation we have x1 minus 2x3 is equal to 0. So from the second equation x3 is already 0. So if x3 is equal to 0, we have x3 equal to 0, we have x1 equal to 0, and there is no term x2 there. So we take x2 as an arbitrary term and we put x2 is equal to 1. So its eigenvector is 0, 1, 0. So we find out the eigenvectors for A. Now the eigenvectors of A cap are y1 is equal to, y1 is y1, y2, y3. y1, y2, y3 for lambda equal to minus 1 is P inverse into x. P inverse into x. So first we find out the inverse of the matrix P. That is P inverse is 5, 0, minus 3, 0, 1, 0, minus 3, 0, 2 is the P inverse. Then P inverse into x1. x1 is minus 2, minus 1 by 2, 1. Then you multiply these matrices. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10, minus 3 is minus 13, 0 into minus 2 is 0, 1 into minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2, minus 3 into minus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. This is the eigenvector for A cap, eigenvector of A cap for lambda equal to minus 1. Then eigenvector of A cap for lambda equal to 2. That is y1, y2, y3 is P inverse. P inverse into x2. x2 is the eigenvector for lambda equal to 2. In A is minus 1, minus 2, 1. So you multiply minus 5, minus 3 is equal to minus 8. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 8 is 20. Minus 3 into minus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now, the eigenvector for lambda equal to 3 is P inverse into the eigenvector for eigenvector in A. It is 0, 1, 0.